Hi, my name is Pat Farrell and I live in a rural area of County Galway, and my water supply comes from a stream. So although there's no big agriculture around, you can imagine what might be in it. And from when we moved in to quite recently, we were bringing water from town and buying bottled water. And a few months ago I heard about this water system, and we had one installed under the sink. So there's a little tap to the side of the sink where we get our drinking water. And it's been fantastic. The water tastes lovely. There's no problem like chlorine like you have with, say, a water scheme or an in-town water supply. It seems to be fine. It's fine for me and my partner and our plants. And this is an old filter that was just taken out a couple of days ago, and this is a new filter, so you can see it's cleaning a lot of stuff out of our system. We are very happy.